How to build a free tools page as a lead magnet for your B2B SaaS and AI business. Like I've seen that most B2B businesses use free tools as a free resources to capture leads and being an authority in their target niche. That's a really great strategy, although, to have a free tools as a lead magnet, but they don't have a page where they have already explained everything in a structural manner. I'm showing you that in a minute that why it's too important to have a structure for free page, and also why this particular page itself will not be as convertible as we design this particular page as a free tool for Supergroup. Why this particular page will get some conversions and this basic page will not get ranked on SEO, will not be featured on any LLM models like ChatGPT or any tool. Like because your customers nowadays were not looking into Google searches. They were asking ChatGPT for the specific problems, and ChatGPT will redirect your tool, your free resources on their outcome. And there you will get the free traffic and the authoritative advantage over any other tools in your market or in your niche. So give me some minutes and I will explain you how to do this to leverage those traffic and how to monetize that particular traffic for your product and how to get some conversions from that also. I'm Devin and I'm the owner of Unoptimized. We help AI and SaaS companies having conversions and more customers through their websites, funnel, and ad creatives. So let's get to it and I will explain how to have a structure where you will have some trust, where you will have some authoritative advantage over any other free tools or resources out there in your niche if you are into B2B market. So what our approach with the particular thing which we design a free tools pages for any of companies which we work. Okay. So we could have a structure already, like we will have a hero section, and just after that, I'm showing you that this is a good example of that. That if you want to create a free tool as in your byproduct or a free resources of your main product, you just need to have an hero section just like this, and just after that you need to embed your particular tool from any of the resources, or you could just embed it, right? And just after that you should have some how to's or steps how to use your tool, your free tool, because it's not for your user. They will not going looking into this and not read. But nowadays in 2025, all the AI models will access your page, all the agents will access your page to look at if it's your tool is related or relevant to your target audience or not. So you need to have some advantage over this. You also need to have a structure that after the hero section and tool embedded, you need to have what this tool does and how to use the tool. And you need to provide step-by-step guide. And before that as well, you need to showcase your brand as a trustworthiness. So you could have some case use cases or how this particular tool helps save time, helps save money, and the leverage people were having with using this particular free tool. So what this whole entire thing make up is that your brand, your product will be assured and will be recognized as a go-to platform to use, because how people psychology works. If you provide some free resources, like to have an example of Alex Hamosi, he has that YouTube channel, Instagram, and all those social medias to provide you free resources, and eventually you will get to know that if their free resources were making and helping you money, if you pay amount, a specific amount, how that much give you the results. So the exact same psychology works here for your free tool as well, on your SaaS, on your B2B market as well. So after that, you need to show pro tips to how to use that particular tool. So AI and GEO, like the generative engine optimization and search engine optimization, will help your page, will help those LLMs and optimization part to be ranked on those platforms. And just after that, you need to have frequently asked question. Like most people were missing that part, but you should have an FAQ, because as you can see here, I'm showing you that why it's important. Okay, see, they have FAQs which solves and which have answers to your target audience. Now it shows that how to use that tool, how it's free, if it's free, it's premium, or it's paid tool. And just after that, that questionnaire will be ranked on the LLMs. And after that you need to list down if you have other free tools, if you have other free resources to use as a lead magnet. What mistake here Supergrow did is we don't have any funnel or the system in between to capture leads. But if you could add here as an embedded, like if you want to have an headline generated for your LinkedIn, you need to give your email. Because if you put it your information on any of the tools, which are like 5 things you have already put it, your user put it, they more likely to convince that you will give them the reward and they will provide you the email. They will see you as a trustworthy brand or the company or the B2B, right? As a product. So this is how the breakdown of having a free tool for your SaaS as a sub product, but it will be leveraged as a lead magnet instead of just posting on LinkedIn that this is the PDF you will get after commenting. That won't be working because it's already saturated. But if you have free tools, just like Supergrow, you will be able to leverage all those things, and you will be ranked on Google as well. Supergrow is already ranking on Google search results, LLMs, just because they have really good pages, free pages and free resources that leverage them being an authority in their particular niche. And this is whole process which we did for them. And this is the result you can expect from having a free tool page and leveraging as a lead magnet page for your product. This is all you need to have the conversions on your page, like to build a free tool to as a lead magnet for your SaaS and AI. And this is all you need to do. If you need an exact process and the structure we have made here, you could just comment or you could connect with me on the LinkedIn. I will be happy to share all those things. And if you are stuck at your conversions or you don't have a system to track your customers where they were clicking and if they were interested or not, we help AI and SaaS startups doing the same exact thing to create lead magnets, to having landing pages and having website revamps as well. So do let me know in comments and do subscribe to our channel because I'm thinking of putting each week, each video of breaking down each small thing which make the conversions and do make more money and more ARR from your startup. So do subscribe and also do like. And if you have any specific questions, do comment as well. Don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I post daily over there as well. And this is all I have. Thank you so much.